Einfach wieder. Live. Okay. Hey everybody, back again. We got disconnected. Again, I was saying with the triangle section, you determine how wide, how deep the triangle section is going to be. Okay? The rest of the hair you tuck behind the ear.
Kleidermitteilt's gut im Hintergrund, girls.
Okay. So here, just quickly, I'm combing my hair straight away from the head. Not up, not down, straight out. And I level to where my hand is on the parts. Comb the hair straight out, 45-degree finger angle, and cut straight through along the fingers in a 45-degree finger angle. You see, 90, half of it, quarter of it, half of it is 45. Okay, and this is your shortest point in the haircut. Okay. Then you take a center section. Zoro. So, here. Take a center section. And no matter what, if you have your bangs off center or in the center, your second section is always in the middle of the head. Okay? And now you comb your hair in a 45-degree hair angle. 90, half of it is 45. So 45-degree hair angle, pulling it straight up here. And here, that's my longest point from the bangs. That's my guide. And I'm cutting here, as you can see. And I keep the 45-degree angle at a stable guide, so I'm not elevating into a 90, I keep it at a 45, so I have more layers around the face, less in the back. Of course, we're leaving our hair so long. Take a parallel section, real simple.
Tommy.
Sorry?
Hat's ein paar Leute verloren?
Jetzt hat es 4. Wo live oder so.
So here, next section is a parallel section. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to over-direct her hair over to the outer corner of her right eye. Okay, here you can see 45-degree, beautiful 45-degree hair angle. And here is about the her outer corner of the eye. That's how far I direct it back and bring this all the way in. So you do not level your hand into a 90. And last section already. Always clean, comb the hair here neatly. Beautiful. Same thing on the other side. Now we're going to over-direct her hair over to the left side, to her left outer corner of her eye. Same thing on the other side. We're live here from Zurich, Switzerland, out of a hair salon that I work here when I'm in the when I'm actually in Switzerland. So I apologize for the background noises. There's a handful of people here. The doors are open, so Friday evening traffic. So there you go. Same thing, left eye. That's my guide. Follow it. Last section already. So, perfect. And now, vertical, this becomes horizontal cross section.
4.
Excellent. This is just to double check, to cross-reference the haircut. Comb the hair straight towards you, like so. Perfect. Same thing on the other side. Excellent. So, brilliant. Then once you're done, this is exactly what you're ending up with the front. Now we're going to take the clips out. I'm going to take the center section. Take a horizontal section right above your occipital bone to the back of the ear. Comb the hair straight up. See, here's my longest point from the side, and that's where we're going to cut straight through. Not to worry about, because you're adding the layers within the interior. Like so. Same thing, horizontal section. Comb the hair straight up. Same thing, longest point, and connect with over here. See that? Perfect. So, and now you just added the long layers in the back. See that? Now all we have to do is connect the sides. For this you can stand up, darling. Watch out, yeah, come to me. Very good. Cool. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take a vertical section from on top of the head to the nape of the neck. So, see here? Perfect. That's the actual length where we started the haircut from. These are our layers now. There you go, longest point, cut around it, and connect with the back. Boom, perfect. And here, at this point here, you can, take off the corner a little bit if you want to. That's entirely up to you. Working till the center back. I'm going to switch shears to my KM Slide Royale. By the way, all shears you get on my website, mikekark.com. And also follow me on Instagram, which is Mike_Kark. Stop right here, flip the hair over the finger, and point cut into it. And as you can see, my fingers are slightly moving while I point cut. I'm going to show it to you again. Like so, flip the hair over my finger, like so. And you can see my fingers are sliding while I do it. Gonna do the same thing on the other side. Take a diagonal section, or actually a vertical section from the top of the head to the nape of the neck. So, same thing again, actual length, right here from the front, the layers. So, same thing again. Vertical section, 45-degree hair angle here. Guide, last section till center back. Same thing again here. Awesome. Excellent. So, now we're almost done. Let's see, one more time. Now, because we cut the hair here at 45 left and right, that means I end up in the center with the longest piece. Take a big triangle section here over the back of the head, over the back of the head. Move the hair all the way up, let the outline drop. There. And plenty too. Excellent. Now you just created your most beautiful, perfect, long layers. And they always work. So. So, there you go. Here, you have in no time long layers and happy people. Alright, thanks for watching everyone. See you soon, and follow me on Instagram because I'm going to make some announcement on when we're going to go to Facebook Live, and all of June I'll be in the US, so we're going to have Premiere Orlando, IBS Las Vegas, and ABCH LAX. Hope to see you there. Bye bye.